Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection in your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here Advanced Network Setting. Just click on this. Under More Settings, you will find Network Reset. Just click on this. Here you can see Network Reset. Before clicking Reset now, you have to make sure if you are using any static IP, just you have to copy all your IP addresses and all your alternate DNS server details. You just need to copy all this detail. After copying all these details, just click on reset. After resetting, just click on yes. And close this window. After that, you can see you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. And that's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.